getting ready to cash one of my checks that I just printed out for a couple signings I did. So excited. My name is Shavon. I am from Tucson, Arizona. And before I found the loan signing system, I was actually working part-time at my gym. And as we all know, March 2020 comes around and a lot of businesses had to shut down. So my job included. And so I found myself at home with two small young children who were not in school yet, and just looking for a side hustle to help supplement my family's income. As I was looking, things just kept popping up for notaries to make $75 to $200 an hour. And I thought, got very curious of what was this about. I had been a notary years ago when I used to work at a bank. And so I thought, I could do that. And so I Googled how to make money as a notary. And of course, the Mark Wills, the loan signing system course, just kept popping up over and over. I was very curious, and I know there's a lot of other courses out there, which I did take a couple, but I will have to say that Mark's course is my favorite. He is an awesome mentor. What's so great about his course is he guides you on how to become a notary first, and then he gives you all the training that you need for the loan documents. And one of the best things too is he actually teaches you how to be a successful business owner. And the other amazing thing about the loan signing system is the community. It is such a great community, so supportive, and everybody is willing to help out. If you have any questions or you just need a little hand holding, it's just amazing. And it's a nationwide community. If you are thinking about taking the course and becoming a loan signing system student, don't hesitate. Just do it. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Let's go!